Hey folks, how'd you like to join me and go for a virtual test drive in a 1969 GTO? This is a real GTO. It's got a 400, a 4-speed, and a 390 posi rear end. I'm gonna fire it up and we gotta get out and hear how it sounds before we go anywhere. Parking brake seems to be working. Got a nice, mellow, deep sound. Almost sounds like a boat in the water. Those are the factory optional exhaust tips. Got the annoying key buzzer works. Has the seat belts, which I'm going to put on. It's got a retro stereo. The original radio's included. It sounds real good. Man. Let's go. So it's a great sound and radio. These gauges are new. It's got good oil pressure. Temperature's just starting to come up. Looks like it's charging as a 12-volt receptacle. Well, actually, it's a USB or an auxiliary port for the stereo, and it's a hands-free voice command also. The hood tachometer works. Release the brake. And let's go slam some gears. Blower works strong. Wipers are working. He also puts LED dash lights and interior lights in here. Yeah, it runs real nice, and I tell you, this road is horrible. And easily just a couple fingers on the steering wheel, keeping the car in line. It rides really well. Drum brakes. I hit them without holding the wheel to see what it would do, and here we go. We got a dump truck that's going to slow us down. And there's Mr. Policeman just pulled in. Usually they like to come and check out the cars. They're very friendly with us. Turn signals work, speedometer works. This road's a lot nicer, and it just rides and drives perfectly on a good road. No hands. And the car stops real nice. Sometimes drum brakes, you gotta use them a couple times. call this no frills, but all thrills. This is pretty basic as far as options, but it's got what counts: a big block, a 4-speed, and a 390 posi. If you visit volocars.com, that's where you can get the complete overview of the car. This is just our test drive portion. This car is for sale. We have a few hundred collector cars that are all for sale at volocars.com. I'm impressed with this one here. Gonna get it to the gas pump, put some gas in it, and it'll be ready for someone else to enjoy. So again, visit volocars.com.